Today is an exciting day, my friends. Today, finally, Hey, give back to me. Today, our Sanitarium 12 before 12 book came. So we've decided to do, what did you say?
What are we going to do?
Did I hear somebody say challenge?
Challenge, no.
Challenge, yes. We're going to do a challenge. What we've done is we've seen 12 before 12, by the way, just in case you don't know, is a book that Sanitarium's done to teach kids 12 skills before the age of 12. And we're tired of cooking for our kids. Why have kids if they can't teach them to be slaves?
Are you going to cook, Liz?
Are you going to be our slave?
No, definitely not your slave.
We're combining the first 3 skills, Speedy Shopper, Label Lingo, and Seasonal Selector, into one super mega monster awesome challenge. That's right. And so the kids are going to be part of this challenge, and the winner of the challenge gets to ride the rainbow narwhal through the sky, and the loser of the challenge has to wear the cone of shame.
Not true.
All right. As part of it, each kid is going to get $50.
But not to keep.
They have to write a shopping list, and they have to plan for 3 days each worth of breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And they get $50 each to spend. And we're going to do this as a challenge. We're going to score them. I'm going to tell you all about the scores later. But the first part of the step is you have to pick who do you want to be on your team, Moses.
Dada.
Oh yeah, give me 5 man. Yeah!
Yes, we're on
all
the same.
right. Okay. So now we've got our team. Me and Momo and Litsa and Mummy are going to compete. First part of the challenge is writing the shopping list for Speedy Shopper. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Are you ready?
On your marks.
You know we're going to win.
Get set. Go! Right, draw a line under. That's our breakfasts. Look at them. Shh. They're listening, Moses. There's 3 simple tasks that children can do to help their family become speedy shoppers. The first is to help with planning the weekly menu.
Should we just have some of their food for dinner for the other 3 nights, the other 3rd night? What do you think?
Yeah.
Once you know what you're going to cook, then it's time to write your list.
Banana, peanut butter.
Beautiful writing, Moses. Extra points, I think, for the writing. All right.
Perfect. Good work. F for frozen. I like that.
Hey.
What
Quick, take this to the cupboards. Go see what I can't go. Take a look at the foods and drinks you already have in the fridge and pantry. Then check that off your list, and then you know what you need to buy.
Bread.
Go, let's go back to the table.
Everything.
Okay. Quick, sit down. Sit down next to me. Quick.
We're done.
You done?
Yeah.
We're on our way to Woolies now, and we're all packed up. Have we got our shopping lists?
Yes.
All right, who do you think won the shopping list challenge?
This and Mama.
How did they
cheating.
cheat?
I just was assisting a bit more than what you were assisting Moses.
Dada wasn't assisting.
Are you guys super pumped?
Yep.
$50 to spend.
I hope that $50 is enough because I really don't think $50 is enough for all that food.
Oh, we'll see. Time will tell.
What are you having?
A pink
Why?
Because we get energy.
You're getting your strength?
2 brown snakes.
Yum.
Are
Yum.
you ready?
Okay, time starts now.
Apple.
Are they in season?
Yeah.
What other fruits are in season right now that are on special? What can you see?
Oranges.
Another 12 before 12 skill that we want the kids to learn is how to be a seasonal selector.
Which ones are sweet? These or those?
Now there's 4 big reasons to love fresh seasonal fruit and veg. They cost less, they're packed with nutrients, they're good for the environment, and let's face it, they taste awesome.
Hummus smooth.
Yep, is that a good hummus?
Yep, new price.
All right.
New recipe.
Awesome, perfect. So put the hummus in there.
Press that
Toss your
hummus.
hummus out.
When it comes to scoring later, the kids are going to get extra points for label lingo. Now, this is all based around the Health Star rating. Now, the Health Star rating is an easy way for us to be able to know just how nutritious the food that we buy is. The kids are going to get points. 5-star health rating, 5 points. No star rating, no points. Sorry, kids. $62, Momo. We went a little bit over. All right, we're back. I'm actually surprised by the amount of food that we got.
They went over budget,
sorry,
by the way.
excuse me. But I'm still very surprised, and this is not a shot at you, Woolworths. We love you. How much food we got from Woolworths for $100? This feels like quite a lot. 113 because they went $1 over as well. Now here's a funny thing. You might have thought that they won the Speedy Shopper Challenge in the supermarket,
Did we win it?
but little do you know, after we walked out the front doors, somebody forgot to pay for their ginger. So they had to go back in and pay. So it turns out, Momo, give me 5. We were actually the quickest in the supermarket. So this is how we're calculating the points. 10 points each for their shopping list. Now the reason why they're getting 10 points each for their shopping list is because they actually separated the food in their shopping list into categories. So they actually separated stuff to make it quicker. So they knew that. So both teams get 10 points for their shopping list. Me and Moses won the Speedy Shopper race at the supermarket because the ginger. We get an extra 10 points. So we get 10 points. All right, I don't know if that's being a good sport or a bad sport. They actually get an extra 10 points for coming in on budget. They got all of this. It was within $1 of the $50. Me and Momo have expensive taste. We actually spent $62, didn't we, Momo? So we lose 2 points for every $1 over that we went. So that's 24 points down. So that means Moses and me are on -4 points.
And we're on 20.
And you're on 20 points. Now, this is where it's going to get sticky. But we're scoring points with 2 systems. One is every Health Star point that you get a point. If you're buying fresh food, if it's fresh, what do you reckon? 5 points if it's fresh?
Yeah.
And then if it's seasonal and fresh, because we know that seasonal fresh is the freshest of fresh, taste it, you get 10 points. Add yours first. Let's go. 5. Yeah, 10.
So 10, okay. Funny enough, bananas are seasonal all year round. That's seasonal. 10, food, so 5. 5. Ginger.
Ooh, the
5
ginger
points.
that cost them.
Oh,
the
and I
max.
think it's seasonal, so
Cost
an
them
extra
the max.
5. 10, seasonal. I think we'll just do for garlic 5, but they are fresh, so 5. Now, how many star ratings on that?
5.
Spinach.
And what people probably don't realise a lot is that frozen is actually okay.
Frozen is
It's
good.
just as good as fresh, most of the time, and quite often it's cheaper. So,
Okay,
5
so
points.
4.5 for these. Just so you know, can is also very good because they're basically just the chickpeas that we got, but they're 5-star rating. And people just get worried about cans, but cans and even things that in glass, like the passata, that's 100% tomato. How many stars on that?
5.
Okay.
All right, that's them done.
Is that us done?
129.5.
Should we round it up to 130?
Give them 130.
All right,
Let them have
130.
130,
Done.
Moses. All right. Okay.
All right, let's go.
130.
Times that by 4. We also got canned lentils, so that's 5 points a can. There's 6 cans of lentils. That's another 30 points. Whack it on. Momo, where's the stars? How many stars?
4.
4.
4.
How many stars on this?
5. 3. 1.
0.5. Seasonal, that's 10. That's 10. 10 for the onions. 10 for the carrots. 10 for the pears. 5 for the zucchini. What?
You got
How much
anything
did you
else?
get?
130. You guys are at 123.
Oh, sweet potato.
Okay, is that seasonal?
Of course it's seasonal.
Oh, I don't know.
And it's the world's biggest sweet potato. 10.
10. You guys won by 3 points.
I have to be honest, because we were on -4 points.
We won.
So that takes us to 129.
Okay, high five, Momo. We won.
Give him 5. 5, 1. Come here. Give her a cuddle.
Sorry, Moses.
Say you're forgiven. All right.
So,
Okay, was that fun, guys?
Yes.
Now,
That
you
was
can
awesome.
get this recipe actually for the ricotta apple cinnamon hotcakes for free. 12 before 12.sanitarium.com.au. And you can get this book for free. They're giving them away.
for free.
I think they're giving them away.
There you go.
And tell us what you think of the challenge.
And get your kids to write
Do
a
a
shopping
challenge.
list and to do the same thing
Get
we
it in
did
there.
and see who wins. And maybe they could have like a I don't know, some
Competition.
sort of competition and prize.
See ya.
Bye.
Why are we cooking lasagna tonight?